Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you useful settings, tips, and tricks for LG Web OS. Activate the hidden sound mode, get maximum privacy, screen mirroring and more. Let's get started. Pressing the home button on your Magic Remote and then pressing the house icon at the bottom will take you to the home dashboard. All inputs and media servers are displayed here whose names can be changed. To do this, click on the edit symbol in the top right corner, select the relevant input and give it a new name. Finally, click on Save in the upper right corner. This way you can immediately see which device it is. Next we come to the settings. Here are some useful settings that I would like to explain to you. If you navigate to Picture, Energy Saving, you can set the automatic dimming depending on the lighting conditions. It can be very annoying if the lighting conditions in your living room change, for example due to clouds, and the TV automatically dims the picture during a movie. To disable this option, select Energy Saving off. Another useful picture settings is the Instant Game Response. This feature becomes available when you connect a computer or game console and eliminates input lag between the controller and the displayed image. With screen mirroring, it is possible to wirelessly mirror a smartphone, tablet, or computer screen to your LG TV. I have linked detailed instructions on screen mirroring and how to display images and videos on the device in the info box and in the video description. If you navigate to Sound and Adaptive Sound Control, you can use auto volume to adjust all quiet and loud audio moments, for example in action films, or commercials to an even volume. This way you can enjoy whispered scenes at night at the same volume as action scenes without waking up the neighbors. To turn your TV off after a specified number of hours or turn it on at a specific time, you can use the timer function in the general section. So you can fall asleep with the TV and wake up with it, if you like it. The Magic Remote's pointer is unique, but there are people who have had some trouble interacting with it properly. By navigating to Accessibility and Pointer Options, you can change the pointer speed and size. Try out different settings. Personally, I set the pointer speed to slow to be able to navigate more accurately. With Quick Start in the General tab, you can speed up the startup of the TV, but it will also use more power in standby. Directly below is the Advertisement tab. By disabling ad tracking, you can stop LG from tracking your activity. You can find more privacy settings at AI Service. You can also disable these settings to improve privacy. If you don't want to be interrupted by updates during your favorite TV series, turn off automatic updates in the General tab. These were the most important settings for your LG TV. Thank you for watching. If the video helped you, please give us a like and check out the channel. We have many other tutorials on all kinds of devices.